Hey YouTubers, thanks for checking out my video again. This is 2025 January and we're staying at the Venetian again. So I'm going to do an updated of our room. Okay, this is a standard room once again with a bath, shower, and the full-on bathroom there, and toilet there with a phone, mirror, makeup mirror. Okay, the room comes with a king-size bed and side lamps, and also downlight lamps as well. It's got two TVs, one for the bedroom and one for the lounge area. It is a split level room with remote control curtains and shades, which are controlled just there. The split level contains a couch, coffee table, and somewhere to have a meal there. Also comes with a office table where, as you can see, laptops plugged in. It comes with two chargers, two ports there, normal American ports, and also USB ports, two USBs. Got the phone and a desk lamp as well, and it has a fridge in here, and also a mini bar here, and of course in the fridge. We're told straight away that if you open up the fridge and move anything, it's considered purchased, so be careful. Look, the location, Venetian, is great as usual. The rooms are great, the staff are fantastic. So would I recommend staying at the Venetian? Yes, I would. We've also got thermostat here, which can be changed into Fahrenheit and Celsius. The only problem is they don't allow a kettle service, so you have to go out and buy your coffee and teas. And but they do have an extensive room service, of course. So yeah, I hope this has helped you again, and put some comments and let me know if you've stayed here and what did you think of it. I'd love to know what you do think about it. And this is our view this time. There you go. Okay, thanks very much.